Hey, in this quick example, I'm going to show you how to use the COUNTIF function in Google Sheets. So what we have here is a list of fruits, and what I want to do is count how many times the word or fruit apple is mentioned in this list of fruits. So for this, we're going to use the COUNTIF function. So what we need to do is in the functions bar, we're going to go equals, and we're going to go count if, and then we're going to go brackets, and then first what we're going to do is we're going to put a range in here. So we're going to do the range for our fruits in the list. Then we're going to do comma, and then we're going to select a criteria. So this is the amount of times that we want to count apple in this list. And then we're going to end brackets. And that tells us that apple is mentioned 3 times in this list. So let's take a look. Apple 1, apple 2, apple 3. Let's change this to orange. Okay, and see how many times orange is mentioned. Orange is mentioned 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. Let's give a different example that changes the number. Let's say grape. Grape is mentioned 1 time, and as we can see here, grape is mentioned once. So that's how we use the COUNTIF function in Google Sheets.